Advanced Revenue Management, Subscription Management on General Subtab. Alright, so we are up to the third one, right, of the preferences, accounting preferences. And this is around subscription. So if you're not using subscription management, suite billing, then you don't need this, right? I have made a previous series that you will see on YouTube for subscription billing. That is also a detailed series. So this is where those two series interconnect. And so let's have a look. Create revenue elements for subscription revisions. Check this box to create separate revenue elements and revenue arrangements for each contract modification. Right, so essentially, if you check this, you will get separate elements. If you don't check it, your original elements will be updated. And I think that's going to make it hard for you to track at your audit trail, right? You should check this box if you want to be able to review modifications before you merge them, right? So again, if you don't do this, you're not going to have that opportunity to review them. You cannot prospectively merge revenue arrangements that have subscription revenue plans unless this box is checked. So again, if you want to do this, then you have to check this box. So I think there's quite a few reasons why you would want to check this box. For more information, see setting the optional, we've already dealt with that. Again, my suite billing series as well. You cannot use custom events with subscription revisions. Okay? You cannot clear this box after you have checked it. Really important, right? So you got one stab at it. When the box is clear, changes to subscription quantities, amounts, and date automatically update the original, like I've mentioned, right? So I don't think you want to do that. So in my mind, this is an option that you want to tick.